Hi kids, today we are learning type of lines. There are two type of lines, straight lines and curved line. So straight line like this and curved line like this. So here is an example of a straight line. So you can see these lines are straight and a road with curved lines. Okay, I hope it is clear. Straight lines are further classified into horizontal line, vertical line, and slanting line. Horizontal lines are the sleeping lines like this. Vertical lines are the standing lines like this. And slanting lines are the lines which are neither horizontal nor vertical like this or this. So a horizontal line, a vertical line, and two slanting lines. I hope it is clear to you. Great. Now, since we know the horizontal line, vertical lines, and slanting lines, in this picture we'll be identifying these types of lines. So for the convenience, I'm writing horizontal line as H, vertical line as V, and slanting line as S. So let's start from the top. So this is a horizontal line. Here a horizontal line here, and a horizontal line over here. Now in this part also there are horizontal lines and vertical lines, but I am not marking here. It's your task to find the lines here in this part, right? Now let's see the vertical lines. So here is a vertical line, one, another vertical line on the left, vertical line on the right, one on the door here and one over here. And for this part you have to identify the horizontal and vertical lines. Let us now find the slanting lines. One line over here and one line over there. I hope it is clear. Good. Now we are identifying straight lines and curved line. Now straight line can be horizontal, vertical and slanting. Okay. So let's see the alphabet A. So in alphabet A, we have a straight line here, a straight line here, and a straight line here. Okay. Now this straight line in the middle is a horizontal straight line, and these two are the slanting lines. So that's why it's a straight line. Now let's move to letter B. So here it's a vertical line or a standing line, and then we have curves. Okay, so what will we say? It will have curved lines and straight line. Now let's see letter C. So letter C has curved line. For letter D, it has a vertical line and a curved line. Okay, so it will have straight line and a curved line. Now this is the last activity where we have given some pictures and we have to check whether these pictures have straight lines, curved lines, or both straight and curved. So for the straight line we'll be writing S, for the curved we'll be writing C, and for both we'll be writing B. Okay, so let's see the first one. So it has, as you can see, it has curved line, so we'll be writing C over here. This also has curved lines, so we'll be writing C over here. Now ruler, it has straight lines. It is used to make straight lines, right? Now this eraser also has straight line S. Now see this watermelon. So this part is curved and this part is a straight line. So we'll be writing B here. Now for star, there are straight lines. Okay, these are slanting straight lines. So we'll be writing S. And for this particular picture, this part is straight, this part is straight, this part is straight, but this is curved. So we have to write B. B means both curved and straight. So I hope it is clear to you. Very good.